Hi there, I'm Peter Millard and this is 10 Minute Workshop, where 10 minutes in the workshop is never enough. In fact, it's more than I'm managing at the moment. This is one of those quarterly update videos. I do an update video every 3 months or so on the channel, simply because when I started, it was quite hard to get hard numbers and facts and figures from people. In fact, I haven't got hard numbers and facts and figures for you this week because it's all a bit manic and a bit crazy. This quarterly update is a little bit early. It is almost 18 months on YouTube, and in short, the channel is growing really well, which is a bit strange because for the last sort of couple of months in particular, if you've watched any of the recent videos, you'll have heard me mention I'm in the middle of a very large job at the moment, one of the biggest jobs I've ever taken on, and that's just sort of occupying all my time. I am a carpenter and cabinet maker. That's what I do for a living. The YouTube stuff is a pleasant diversion, sometimes an awkward distraction, especially when you're working hard. So the channel's kind of been in maintenance mode, and yet despite this, we've had some fantastic viewing figures. All the measurable metrics, watch time, views, and subscriber count are all up. In fact, we hit 19,000 subscribers recently, which is pretty fantastic. So if you're new here, welcome, and do consider checking through the back catalogue and watch everything twice, so that'd be really good for my for my YouTube ad revenue. Amongst other things I did this quarter, I started a podcast with my YouTube pal Andy McClellan, Gosforth Handyman on YouTube. If you haven't seen Andy's channel, go and check him out. There's a link in the description below. He is somebody you definitely need to be subscribed to. The podcast is doing really well, actually. It's going very nicely. Again, that's something else that is taking up time, but it's growing very nicely. We're getting great feedback. If you haven't listened to it, do check it out. It's at measuringuppodcast.com or through the podcast player of your choice. Looking forwards, there's lots more to come. This job is going to run for another sort of 6 to 8 weeks, I think. Then I'll finally be clear of it, and I'll be able to clean the workshop up a little bit and get back to sort of doing some of the normal things that I do. But one of the things I wanted to do in the very near future is that, barring total disasters, there's every chance that I'll hit 20,000 subscribers in the coming weeks. I don't know when exactly, so towards the end of the month, end of May, early June, sometime I would think. When that happens, I'm going to do an Ask Me Anything. Literally, any questions you like, just stick them in the comments below this video, and I'll get to as many as I can in a special video that I'll do when we hit the 20,000 subscribers. Of course, you never quite know when that's going to happen, so I can't say exactly when that video will be, but anything you want to ask me, stick them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to get to as many as I possibly can. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching. There's a ton of fabulous content on YouTube, and I do appreciate you taking the time to watch mine. Thank you so much, and I look forward to seeing you in the future. Take care. Bye.